Good morning once again. You are welcome to our channel. Let's talk POS business. My name is Mr. Usaudio Elvis Ahano. For those of you who are just joining us for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification button, that thing that looks like bell. This is one of our regular channels that tells us everything you need to know about POS business. Yes, for those of you who are intending to set up POS business, for those of you who are already in it and are finding it difficult to run, we help you address all the challenges that is associated with the business of agent banking, or POS business as you might call it. Yes, and today we will be discussing our very first maiden topic, which is how to set up your POS business. What should you look at when you're about to set up POS business? What should come to your mind? What are the questions that you should ask yourself and the people around you when you want to set up POS business? That is what we'll be discussing today. And subsequently, we'll be discussing more discussion, balance sheets, how to run your business in a way that you will be able to brand yourself and people will comfortably leave their money with you without fear. Yes, because POS business or agent banking business has to do with cash transactions. How can people trust you with their transactions and they will not be afraid? They will know that this person will deliver. Yes, so we'll be teaching you all those nitty-gritties that you need to know. How to source funds to run your daily POS business. A lot of us have issues. We don't have money. You still can do this business without having money. You can do it, yes. We'll be telling you what you will be able to do. What are the incentives you give your customers to have them come in, year out. Yes. But first of all, let us concentrate on our main topic for today, which is how to set up your POS business. The first question you need to ask yourself is, am I really ready for the business, POS business? Am I really ready? Yes. Am I really ready? If you are ready for the POS business, if the question is yes, then the next question you ask yourself is, where should I start the business? A lot of people don't understand. They just be looking, I'm looking for money, I want to start POS business. Money is usually not the first thing when you want to set up your business. Money is usually not the first thing. The first thing is to have your paperwork, have everything drawn. When the money now comes, everything is now in place. You will now be able to disseminate or appropriate various funds for various activities. Yes, I'm very sorry, my voice is a little bit cracked. I'm down with a little bit of small element of flu. So just let us enjoy the information and not the way it is being disseminated. Thank you. So after asking yourself the location, where is a possible place that I can site my POS? First of all, you have answered the first question, which is yes, I'm ready for this business. Why should you ask yourself that question? A lot of you, when you do business for 3 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, and it starts to shake, you just pack a load and go. No. As a matter of fact, any business that you have not given 5 years, 5 whole years, you cannot tell us whether the business is good or not. So if you are ready, be ready to do the time when the business will be down. Be ready to do the time when people will ridicule you. Hey, now this one you want to do now. Your mates, they do better business. Be ready to do it. If you are ready, there's no problem. Me that I'm talking to you now, I've been into the business for more than 5 years. And I'm still in it. As a matter of fact, I am not where I want to be. But one thing is that I am far, far better than where I started from. Yes. So if your answer is yes, I am ready, you must be consistent. Whether you have money or you don't have money, be in your spot. Yes. Whether you have money to give out or you don't have money, be in your spot. 2, if you are ready for the location, if you are ready to ask yourself the second question, where is the possible location? Where can I site my POS business? Then these are the possible places you can site. 1, look out for where there is many human traffic, as in not much of vehicular traffic, but human pedestrian traffic, where people either converge to enter bus, converge to enter bike, converge to drop, converge to buy and sell. Wherever it is that people are always there, either passing by or sitting down, or they are stopping from bus, or they are about to enter bus. Look out for those kind of locations. Another place you can also look out for, it's rare, anywhere that there is a bank. But if you have more than 2 there, move to another place. Yes, it's a secret. Those people who are in the banks, close to the banks, located close to the banks, make more money per transactions. Because before somebody will leave the banking system, bank ATM, and come to your POS, know that he has no other option. The person has no other option. The person actually must have used his last transport to get to where the bank is. And the person is frustrated. The person doesn't have a choice than to use your POS. Yes. Then another area you can set up your POS business is where there is development, like people are living around and there is no bank. That's also another good place. Where you have too many people coming around, or where there are densely populated people and there is no good road network. Banks cannot come and set up their bank there, or ATM machine there, set up your POS there, and you have transactions. Another very, very good areas are shopping malls, where people come to buy and sell. Shopping malls. Yes. If you put your POS business there, it will do well. Another area again is bars, where they are bars, where they have bar, where people come to drink. Even if they have their own POS machine there, set up your own POS business and do transactions. People will come. Because we have discovered that the number of unbanked people in Nigeria is way 50 times the number of people who have banks in Nigeria. So people will do your business, people will do business with you as far as you are consistent. That is also another place. Another area where you can site your POS business, where you can set up your POS business and you will do transaction, is a fuel station. Fuel station. As a matter of fact, those who set up their POS business close to fuel station always make a lot of money. They also have enough money to give out to customers when they come. Yes. So we have been able to treat where possible places where you can set up your POS business, and that's a part of what you should think, where or how to set up a POS business. Then another major topic again is how to get your POS machines, the terminal that you'll be using for your business. Is very, very important. In this, you need to have 1 or 2 questions in your mind, ranging from, please, where do I get a terminal whose rates are very, very interesting, very, very enticing? Terminals that will not charge you outrageously. Terminals that will not charge you and also charge your customers. We have terminals that does that. They will charge you and charge your customers. No. When you want to set up a POS business, try and look for a terminal that will not do extra bank charge. Because over the years, we have discovered that so many customers shy away from POS agents who they will charge you, the agent, and still go and charge your bank. And even at another point, some POS agents become so greedy that they will charge the customer that came to withdraw and not tell them that their banks will do extra bank charge. You understand? So look for terminals that has 1, cheap withdrawal rates. Some charge you 10 naira for every withdrawal. Some charge 100 naira. So it depends on the range. Some charge outrageously. So look out for terminals that will not charge you much. And if you want to know about those terminals, you contact us with the phone number right in your screen or via the link to know about terminals that will not charge you much. We will not give all those kind of information here. But if you want to know, you can ask us at the comment section, and we will send list of terminals that are very, very good that you can use to do your business very well. We'll send it to your email or to your inbox. Yes. So look for terminals that will not charge you. We have different terminals. We have Kudi, we have more other terminals. We have First Bank, Access Bank. We have many other terminals who give out terminals for POS business. But they are very, very good ones that will not charge you much, so that you can also maximize profit in the business. Yes. Another thing you should consider again is, where do I always get cash? How do I always get cash when you are setting up your business? It's a very, very important question. I will be leaving this one and more other discussion in our next video. If you have gotten value for this video, for what you have watched, if you have gotten value, if it interests you, please leave us a comment section. Give us a thumb up. And don't forget, if you are a new video, if you are a new first comer to this channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification button, that thing that looks like bell. Once again, my name is Mr. Osaudion Elvis Ahano, your anchor on this channel, Let's Talk POS Business. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to tell your friends who possibly want to set up a POS business. Don't forget to share this video to people who you know they are finding challenges in their POS business operations. Thank you very much.